Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Begin by making a calm training area where your cockatiel feels safe and curious. Schedule short 10 to 15-minute sessions daily in the same spot to reduce distractions and build routine. Ensure the bird is alert, not sleepy. Many cockatiels learn best between 6 and 12 months, but adults can learn too. Keep background noise minimal and speak in a clear, slightly higher pitch, because cockatiels respond to bright, simple sounds and consistent tone more than complex sentences. Focus on one simple word or short phrase like hello or a name. Repeat that word clearly 25 to 50 times in focused 5 to 10-minute sessions so the bird hears a consistent pattern. Speak, pause, then offer an immediate reward such as a millet spray or soft praise. Cockatiels link sound to reward. If you must be away, record the phrase and play it back 20 to 30 times daily at low volume so the bird receives repetition without human presence. Be patient and watch for small signs of mimicry, a syllable, whistle, or rhythm. Expect gradual progress. Many cockatiels start imitating sounds in 2 to 6 weeks, while clear phrases can take months. Never shout or punish for silence because stress halts learning and harms trust. Once a word is stable, slowly combine it with a second word and repeat the two-word phrase 20 to 40 times per session. Track progress, adjust rewards, and keep sessions consistent twice daily for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.